replicate the same lab on a breadboard or using a breadboard. Let's take a small breadboard. Okay, let's take the normal breadboard. I need to use pin number 8 for example, or 9 for example. Let's use pin number 9, attach it here, and the ground on the other one. I need to add an LED, which is the positive one. The pin number 9 is LED and we are in the right track. Now, I need to change the code because our code says pin number A0. I use pin number 8 or rather 9. Pin number 9 here as well. Everything else will remain the same. Let's check the output. This is the demo on a breadboard. Thank you.